YouTube! It's me, Chandler. Alright, here we are again with episode 2 of our series to draw the Eeveelutions. And in today's episode, we are going to be drawing Pokemon number 134, Vaporeon, the Bubble Jet Pokemon. So for everybody following on at home, here's my source. Now let's get into it. So the source is more vertical, but we're going to kind of make it, make Vaporeon's body move a bit more diagonally. We're going to kind of basically flip the tail up onto this side instead of down off the paper. So we're going to put Vaporeon's big ol' head here. Make the circle represent the head. So the arm. There's another arm. It's a good long. Actually, I'm already seeing that our size ratios are already off, and so we're going to have to do just a little bit of erasing right now, just so we can fit everything in here. And all right, there's our general sketch. Every part of Vaporeon's body is sort of fitting here. So now we can really get into the solidifying these lines and finding what this really wants to be. So we're going to go down here like we did with Eevee. We're going to start with our legs, work ourselves around the tail, and then save the head for last because that's the most important part. No. I was going to say that it seems that we're going to have to take one of Vaporeon's feet off the page, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to turn it just a bit. You know, in the source it says that it shows their feet are pretty much parallel, but you know what? It's my drawing. Wow. You don't necessarily see it when you just glance at the picture, but drawing it, and I'm checking out to make sure that it's coming out as far past Vaporeon's foot here, but Vaporeon has some really long front paws. Like it looks short here, and then it's just boom, all the way out here, and I don't think I'm getting that wrong. That is just about the length shown in the picture. It looks almost like a tentacle. You know how the Japanese love their tentacles. That's as far as we're going to go with that. Try to keep this a kid show, kid friendly. Let's get this tail in there. So now we don't really need the source at all for this. All right. I don't know how long this is going to end up being for you, but it definitely felt like I just spent like way too long working on this here tail. Than necessary, you know, but so goes the art, you know. Oh wow. So now that we've got the body, you know, mostly like figured out, it's not all exact yet, and we'll go over it again. I want to jump into our head here and see what this is going to all be about. So again, Vaporeon, much like Eevee, has a nice big mane, but it's not a fur. It's just one big giant fin. So we've got this circle. We're gonna solidify that. You know, I keep saying we whenever I talk about what I'm doing, and I say we, but I have absolutely no ownership over your actions. If you're drawing along with me, and you can make it again however you want. We're gonna give Eevee's head some more definition. Eevee, Vaporeon. We're going to give it some more definition right now. If you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking some time just to sort of lean up my Vaporeon. Oops. I'm noticing that as I draw it, it's becoming, to me, it's coming out like a bit too portly. Like the rounded edges are too round, and I think that's because of the way I'm drawing it and how I'm like constricted. Like it's coming out a bit more like too round and too bubbled up than I want. Now we get into shoving in a face in this space. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. So this picture of Eevee, we've got again, this isn't Eevee, this is Vaporeon. So, unlike our picture of Eevee, the whites of the eyes here, which typically are the glares, really are basically the pupils. Like, in every picture of Vaporeon, you see, like, the place Vaporeon is looking is guided by the whites here. And we want to make... We're going to try and make Vaporeon, even though our source has Vaporeon looking off the side, make Vaporeon looking at us here. Okay, yeah, this looks really weird, but if you look at the picture, that's exactly how the eyes look. Well, we just need color to fix it. And that's the gist. We need to clean everything up, put some lines in here. So let's do that real quick. Keep looking at these eyes. I'm like, try not to have nightmares tonight. Vapory eyes. Dun dun dun. The more I look at it, the more my Vaporeon just looks possessed with these eyes. As if it found something in the deep dark that it should not have. Join us. Join us. All right, and here's our sketch. This is where we're going to leave today's episode. I'll meet you guys back in the room.
All right, everybody, that's the video. Thanks for watching. And what's that, Eevee? Oh, you liked it? What? Then you got to hit the like button. And oh, you think your friends would like it? Well, I don't know how you have friends, but you should hit the share button. And you want to see the next episode, huh? Well, then you know, Eevee and you guys should probably hit the subscribe button. Thanks, everybody. See you then.